Greetings, friends of chemistry. I am here doing module 10 on your owns. I did these privately with Martin, the first 3 already, so this video does not feature him, but he will be back for the future on your owns. So on your own 10.1 says determine the acid and base in the following chemical reaction. By the way, this is on page 327. So this is hydrogen and bromine. So hydrogen bromide, aqueous, plus NH3. Aqueous yields NH4 plus aqueous plus Br plus aqueous. Okay, so we learned up to this point in the module that the acid is the donor. I like to think of it as the acid donor, okay? And the base is the acceptor. What is it a donor of? What is an acceptor of? You can either think of it as the H plus or the proton. It's the same thing, okay? By the way, things to do with the proton are protic, all right? So, which one is the H donor? Which one is the base acceptor? Okay, so we're going to look at our elements, and we see that these are all covalent compounds, right? And if you look at the periodic table, right? None of them is a metal. None of these is an ionic compound, right? So usually, to find out which is the acid and which is the base, we would find the ionic compound and split the ionic compound into its component ions. But since we don't have any metals in this reaction, there are no ionic compounds. But if we look at it, it's actually pretty easy to see what happened. Here we have the Br, and here we have the Br. So what happened to the H? Well, obviously this is the acid. It got rid of its H. And where did it go? It's fairly easy. It came here. Now this is positive. Excuse me. And it went here. That makes this the base. Okay, so that's the answer to 10.1. Let's now look at 10.2 in a separate video.